SoftService module has proof of presence with geofencing, proof of cleaning with live photos with timestamp, pictorial checklist, photos with timestamp, personalized dashboards.
About SoftService module, the new module that FacTech has launched recently. Okay, so you can see here SoftService, a new module has come here in this. Okay, and this is one dashboard which is personalized for SoftServices. You can see here images, cleaning images. Okay, so we can personalize the dashboard as per our need. There are housekeeping work orders, cafeteria, okay, and we can even see the staff presence. Okay. And if you go to the SoftService after login as admin, so you can see here we can have different cleaning jobs in this view. Okay, so we have location here. We can have locations for which QR code to be generated, like for all the restrooms we can have a location, okay, like first floor, second floor. Then we can have housekeeping jobs accordingly. Okay. So let's say this is one cleaning room, first floor, building 1. So we can create a schedule. So schedule can be created like any time as per our need, like every 2 hours. Suppose we need to do from 9 a.m. to this 5 p.m. So we can just select the time, okay, accordingly, like 9, 11, 1, okay, 15, like this. So the schedule will be created automatically, and housekeeper person will receive the notification. Okay. This is one part. Once the schedule is there, automatically cleaning jobs will be intimated to the supervisors or housekeeping team. Okay. Now another good feature is like that we have launched for the admin is for geofencing, so that we can make sure like proof of presence. Okay. So in proof of presence we have two things. One is like whether the work has been done, okay, properly or not. So here we can set the geofencing feature. Admin can set the geofencing feature to enable proof of presence, okay, for the SoftService. So this will ensure like when person scan the QR code and start doing the inspection or doing the housekeeping, any cleaning job, that person is within the geofencing. So here you can see enable geofencing, and we can set these locations, okay, coordinates, and also the radius. So within that radius of that location, geofencing will be marked, okay, and when the person will scan the QR code, that person has to be there within the QR code. Okay, so this is the feature we need to enable geofencing for as a admin. Okay, another good feature is enable geo-marked attendance.
Now we'll see ground staff technician mobile app.
Following to this is the interface of the application. As you can see, now there are different tabs for the different uses. As you can see, open work orders can be shown over here. So as earlier I have shown you that I have created one demo work order for me. Then we have this upcoming work orders. Then if any escalation is being happened, it will show over here. Then we have this QR scanning tab over here. Then we have this notification tab over here. Then more, we can just do some of the setting as per the need. Now simply what will happen is, now the ground staff will go to that location, will scan this QR code. After scanning this QR code, as you can see, the system has shown me this work order called washroom 1 at 11 a.m. I will click it over here. Earlier, as you can see over here, verified verified tab in the green color you can see. So FacTech offers a GPS enabled location. So I'll give you example what exactly this features is and how it will help. So let's say, for example, in many cases we have seen that the ground staff has captured the photo of the QR code, and the ground staff is filling those checklist just by scanning the QR code, by setting it at a location and completing the checklist. You can see I have scanned this QR code. After scanning this QR code, there was one flash called verified. So recently we have introduced a new feature called GPS or proof of presence feature. So what exactly happens in the GPS enabled tab is like the mitigation of work theft. Like I'll give you an example. These QR code can be clicked by the mobile phone camera and can be filled from anywhere. Just to mitigate that particular problem, we recently have introduced the GPS feature. So within the radius which earlier we will be filling into, like putting into the web portal. So let's say for example, if you have given the permission that this QR code can be scanned within the 10 meter of radius, so the ground staff is able to scan this QR code within the 10 radius. If the ground staff moves outside of the 10 meter radius or above the 10 meter radius, the ground staff cannot scan the QR code. I'll just, for the demo purpose, I'm just again scanning this QR code. As you can see, just by clicking on this QR scan tab, simply scan it and you can see this is the work order. I will click it over here, location verified. So whenever the ground staff is within the radius, specified radius, the QR will be verified. If the person is not within the radius, the ground staff will not able to scan the QR code.